cybersecurity is at recent risk, and we can measure the difference between these answers and tell how well Jean has answered these questions.
Who are you and where are you from?
I was born and raised in Latvia, Riga. We celebrate name days here, and my name day falls exactly half a year after my birthday. So my celebrations are scattered all over the year.
Where did you study?
I studied at Imperial College London and got a master's degree in machine learning and data science. And I think, if I may say, that our graduation ceremony is probably the fanciest all over UK, because we have it at the Albert Hall, which is grand and epic and historical and extremely beautiful.
You've seen AI grow from zero. Tell us about your experience.
I have an undergraduate degree in computer science, and I first got into the field of automation in, I think, 2019. It's before the peak of large language models, because ChatGPT hadn't yet released their models. But of course, the scientific world was already going in that direction, because if I remember correctly, the paper "Attention is All You Need" was released in 2017. So at around 2018, I started learning about machine learning, but more about like classical machine learning and data science. And only the past 3 years I have been into language technologies.
What makes Jean unique?
Jean is not just a large language model and RAG technology. We have developed, we are developing currently internal intellectual property that's able to understand the organization, to understand that you have, for example, an employee called Alexander, but because he's Russian, he's referred to Sasha in the meetings, and that he works on this project, and that he, for example, takes sometimes Fridays off because he has this very specific hobby. So we are trying to build a complex knowledge-based knowledge graph that goes deep into your organization and understands how it functions.
Why is your benchmark better than everyone else's?
So I don't want to go too much into the details, but in broad terms, we create the world truth, and then we create the enterprise. And thus, because we know the world truth and we are very certain that this world truth is very well reflected within the artifacts of this synthetic company, we can ask questions and know the answers, and thus be really good at benchmarking.
Why can't anyone just build this?
The reason why you cannot vibe code Jean is due to the depth of research that goes into building this technology. Of course, within this company, we do use cloud code. We use, I believe, some use codecs. So we're very open to these technologies, but they still cannot reach the intelligence level of humans and develop algorithms that will function out of the box right away. We still need to test them, adjust them, and make sure that they actually function.
Lastly, what's your favorite Latvian food?
Rupšmaize. So it's a rye bread, dark rye bread. You can't really buy it anywhere else.